Hi, it's Winter Ramen again. If you've watched the previous video, then welcome back. In this one, we're gonna dive into one of the most important tools you'll use as a web developer, Visual Studio Code, or as we like to call it, VS Code. So, what exactly is VS Code? It's a free, powerful, and super flexible code editor that's loved by millions of developers around the world. Whether you're writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any other programming language, VS Code has got you covered. But what makes it really special is how customizable and lightweight it is. It's like a toolbox with everything you need. In order to get access to Visual Studio, you need to download it from the official website, code.visualstudio.com, and download the appropriate setup file for your operating system. After installing VS Code, you basically need to know how to create a project, how to load your project, where to maintain your project's files, where to actually write your code, and lastly, how to run and test your project. When you open a folder in VS Code, it is considered as a project. So creating a project in VS Code, it's a straightforward process. You just have to create a folder and then open it in VS Code. Now that you know how to create and load a project, now it's time to learn how to maintain your project's files. Like if you want to create files, folders, delete, or rename files and folders, this is where you should do it, the Explorer tab. Here you can create files, here you can create folders. Let's try to create a file called index.html. After creating the file, it should automatically open the code editor, and this is where you're gonna actually type your code. Let's try not to overload the brain. Let's go practice what we just learned. Thanks for watching this episode. You already know the thing. If you like it, please leave a like. If you have any concern, please leave a comment. See you in the next episode.